scenario.
Hello everybody, this is Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. Happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an outro video for your YouTube video. Just like what I did from the previous video where I showed you guys how to make an intro for your YouTube video. So if you guys haven't seen that one, go check it out. But today, I'm going to show you how to make an outro for your YouTube video. So which I just made by myself here from the other day. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So here we go. So that is how my outro looks like. So what you would need for this, you would need a PC and your USB flash drive, which I already plugged into my PC already right now. And so let's go ahead and go to my USB stuff right now. So, and for this USB flash drive, for this USB stuff, you want to make a folder name videos. And the reason why I recommend that is because you need your USB flash drive for your YouTube stuff, like filming, recording, editing, or uploading, whatever you do. And so those are the two things that I will recommend. Like you need your USB flash drive and your and make a folder name videos on your USB flash drive. So that is pretty much it. And so the first step you want to go is you want to go to the let's actually close this right now. You want to go to the website called panzoid.com/creations, which I'm already there right now, and I will put that that link down in the description below. And so yeah, and this is the website where you will see that there's full of intros and outros that you can choose. That you can choose and what you want to make. Like these are full of intros and outros, and they're all free, so it's free to download. And I actually do have the link that I just made and used from the other day. So I'm gonna put the link down, and I'm also gonna have this link down in the description below as well. And so this is the outro video that I just made and used. So yeah, once you pick the outro video you want, you want to click that, and it's gonna take you here. And then and once it takes you here, you want to open it in a clip maker, and it's gonna take you to here where you can edit names and stuff. And here's the layout of what it will look sorry. This is what the layout looks like when you pick your outro. And if you want to see the preview of this outro video, you want to click the toggle render preview right here, and then you want to press play to reveal the preview of the outro. So here we go. So that is the preview of the outro video. When you picked the outro video you want and make for yourself on your YouTube channel. So let's actually go to where it is right here. So if you want to change the name right here, you want to go to the objects icon right here, and you want to scroll all the way down until you see text. your name. It should be the second one, not the first one, not the third one. It should be the second one. So yeah, to change that, you want to click here, and then you want to rename and you can rename whatever you want. I'll put mine, which is name. It's Little Mac, so it's Little Mac. And then once you rename it, you want to press enter on your keyboard, and now the name has been changed. So let's actually play this outro video again to see what it looks like with the text name changed. So here we go. So that is how the outro looks like with my name in it that is changed. So to save if you want to save this video, you want to go to the download icon right here, and you want to change the mode to good quality, and then after you've done that, you want to start the video render. Now this could take a while, so it's still calculating the time left right now, and it's only about about over 10 minutes left. So yeah, if this takes long, I will go ahead and this will be the good time for me to pause the video, and then once this is done, I will be right back. So yeah, it's only about 9 minutes left, so it's still rendering. So yeah, like I just said, if this takes long, I will pause the video, and once this is done, I will get back to recording. Alright, so I think this will be the good time for me to pause right now. So once again, I repeat, I'll be right back, guys. So I'll be right back once this is done. Alright, I'm back. So once the video has been done rendering, you want to go ahead and download it, and it's gonna start to download for you. And one thing I forgot to say from the beginning of this video is that the outro that you guys have seen is that it's going to show in the at the end of this video, after when I stop filming of this video. So anyway, so now that the video has already done downloading, you should go to the file explorer, and then you should go to the downloads folder where you can see the video has been downloaded. Downloaded. It's right here. But you want to convert this to MP4, not the MKV. So to do that, to convert that video to MP4, let me just close these before doing anything else. But wait, no, I should open up a new tab. That's what I should do. So I'm just gonna close these, close them, close these three. Alright, so to convert that video to MP4, let me just also close this as well. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah, so once again, to convert that video to MP4, you want to open up a new tab, and then you want to search video converter to MP4. And you want to go to the very first link, which is online video converter to MP4. And then once you are on here, you want to choose files. So you want to click on that, and you want to go to the downloads folder where you can see where your video has been downloaded, and you want to click the video that you just downloaded. Click on that. And then it's going to start uploading. So I don't think this will be the good time for me to pause the video, because this thing is going really fast. So it's going to take about 30 more seconds left. As you guys see right here, it's about 35 seconds left. but sometimes the time seconds was like raising, and sometimes it goes down. But now it's only like 24 seconds left. Almost there, guys. So yeah, I'll have the two links down in the description below of this video. One is going to be the link where you can choose any intros and outros you want to make for your YouTube channel, and one is going to be the link that I just made and used for this video of my outro video that I just made by myself from the other day. But anyway, so once after the uploading of this video has been done, you want to go ahead and start the conversion. And now it's gonna go through that process, so you just have to wait until it's done. And then after it's done, it's gonna start to download for you, and it downloads really fast, and it's already done right now. So I'm actually close this one, and I think I'm gonna actually close this tab right now, so I don't need to use that anymore. And now you should be able to see the MP4 file of your outro video. So we don't need this, so I'm gonna delete that, and let's actually move it to the desktop. So, and then close the file explorer, and I'm actually yeah, so I'm actually gonna rename this to outro. So yeah, after you rename it to outro, you wanna go to your USB stuff, and then go to the videos folder. And as you guys don't believe in me or something, this is the same one that I just used from the beginning of this video to show you guys what my outro video looks like. So that is the one that I just used. And here's the second one that I just made. So let's actually, so you want to drag it to the videos folder on your USB flash drive. So I'm going to do that now. And there you go. There's your outro video for your YouTube video that is on your USB flash drive. And let's now take a look at the outro that I just made right now. So let's go ahead and play this again right now. So here we go. And there it is. That is how you make your outro for your YouTube videos on your YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. So I will try my best to put my previous video here where you can see how to make an intro for your YouTube video. So I will try my best to put the videos like the previous video right here, and I will also try my best to put my YouTube channel picture right here. So, but yeah, I never done this before, since this is my first time doing it. But I never tried doing like this before, like putting my previous video right here and then my YouTube channel picture right there. But I will try my best on how to do that. But anyways, I hope this video I hope this video will help you out, and as always, please give it a big thumbs up for an awesome video that I just did today. And so I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving today, and as always, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, I'm Little Mac, also known as your favorite video game character from Punch-Out and Super Smash Bros. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving and peace out, everybody.